Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Call of Duty awaiting challenge issue. On my previous fix video, for some reason the IP connect method is not working. You can always do it manually. All you have to do is download the file from this site. I will put the link in the description with the file. Download this file and then go to the game folder. Here is the file. You can see I have already downloaded. You can extract it here. After exiting, you will see this folder. Simply copy it and then go to the game folder here, paste it here, then go inside the folder and run this file install.cmd. That's it. Then press any key to continue, then go back to Steam and run this game. Launch Call of Duty Modern Warfare multiplayer. Play. It will say Call of Duty 4X launcher will close now. Restart code for if needed. Press OK. After that, wait a few seconds and run it again. Now go to join game. Hopefully now you can join to game server and there won't be any awaiting challenge issue anymore.
Enemy UAV is airborne.
Reloading!
Enemy UAV is airborne. Our UAV is online.
Hopefully you now can play this game without any issue. If you like this video, feel free to give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.